Hey, welcome back. Today, I want to quickly talk about how you can download and use custom materials in your Blender projects. It's actually really simple, but it occurred to me that maybe some people might not know how to do this. So, if you go to a site like Polyhaven, and you browse through their textures, and you find something like these worn planks. So you download the zip file, then you unzip it, and when you open the folder, you see that it comes with all the individual textures that you can manually plug in to create the material, but it also comes with the blend file, which makes it really easy to bring into your project without having to do all the manual setup. So I'm going to add a plane, and now I need to bring in the material that I just downloaded. And there are two ways to bring in a material. You can either come up to the File menu and click Append, and then browse through your folders to find the material, or you can simply drag and drop the blend file directly from your file browser. So if I do that, I'll get this little pop-up asking me what I want to do. So I'll click Append, then I'll double-click on this material folder, select the material file, and then click the Append button. And now the material is ready to use, so I'll select my plane, go to the Material Properties panel, and select the material. Then I'll switch to Rendered Display to see the material applied to the object. And if I switch to the Shading tab, here's the material already set up and ready for you to tweak it however you want. And if you're new to Blender and you're not sure how to work in the material editor, I do have another video that covers that, and I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check it out. So that's it for this one. I told you it was going to be a quick one. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and post them below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.